Hi, everybody. Welcome back, Whataburger Field, as we're ready for Game 2 of the Hooks and the Travelers of this series. Right now, pleased to be joined by Shawn Dark of Regal Quality Cleaning Services. You're a huge part of what happens here at Whataburger Field. We appreciate you being here. And for those who don't know, Regal Quality Cleaning Service, what is it?
Well, Dom, thanks for having us this evening. We do commercial janitorial service in the Coastal Bend. We've been here for 11 years. This is our 8th season as a vendor for the Corpus Christi Hooks. We do all the post-game cleanups after every single game.
So they're the reason why you come in here and see a sparkling ballpark here at Whataburger Field. And what's kind of new and exciting happening right now with Regal?
Well, we've launched a equipment repair service this year. So not only are we coming out to service janitorial work, but we're providing support to others that do janitorial work here in the Coastal Bend and any places like the hospitals, school systems. We're helping keeping their equipment up and running. We've managed to get a warranty repair certification with several manufacturers. And so instead of sending that equipment out to Houston or San Antonio, we can do that work right here in Corpus Christi.
That's fantastic. So it's one-stop shopping in essence. You got the janitorial work and you've got the repair work, as we're right here. Don't have to go anywhere, like you said. Shawn Dark of Regal Quality Cleaning Services with us. And you're wearing the season member hat. You're wearing the George Springer jersey. This match made in heaven, the partnership with the Hooks. You said 5 years going strong. How's it been?
Yeah, we've, like I said, 8 years, and we love the Corpus Christi Hooks. Before we became season members with the contract, my family and several friends would sit out in the left field and watch the games from season 1.
It's fantastic, fantastic. Shawn Dark joining us right now. You were just here last week too. Scouts BSA were out here. You were part of that as well. It's kind of something within the model of Regal Quality, right?
We are. So my personal life mission is growing people one day at a time. I take that view with my employees and our staff members and helping them grow in their life. And I grew up in the Scout program. I'm an Eagle Scout and turning that to the next generation. And I'm a Cub Master for PAC 226, do some work with the local council in the district and promoting Cub Scouts and raising my own kids in the program.
Fantastic. All involved here in the community, of course, on the Coastal Bend. And you've got something going on today, a birthday, I guess we got to mention as well, right?
We do. We've got a pretty special birthday. My son Asher is turning 11 today and wanted to give him a shout out. And he's got a special place on the field this evening.
Fantastic. It'll be a whole lot of fun. For folks who are interested in maybe the services you provide at Regal Quality Cleaning Service, where can they go for more information?
Well, you can visit us on our website, regalqualitycleaningservices.com. You can find us on Facebook, on Twitter, or give our office a call, 361-992-7344.
Fantastic. Shawn Dark joining us here from Regal Quality Cleaning Service. The reason why this ballpark looks so good every single day. Shawn, thanks for being here. Thanks for your time.
Dom, thank you for this opportunity. I appreciate it.
All right, we got more to come on Hooks TV after this.